My elbow hurts. If you feel pain on your elbow when you pick up a bottle like this, a coffee cup, turning a doorknob, or shaking someone's hand, you don't need more rest. What you need is the right kind of tension on your elbow. Most experts will tell you to wear a brace and wait for the inflammation to go down. But elbow pain, whether it's tennis elbow or golfer's elbow, is usually a tendon problem. If you rest a tendon too long, it becomes underloaded and loses the capacity to handle weight. This is why the pain comes back the moment you stop resting. In this video, I'm going to show you a 5-minute routine that will signal your body to start repairing the tissue and not just mask the pain. I see a lot of patients with elbow pain wearing a tennis elbow strap for months. They tell me it feels okay with the brace on, but the minute I take off the brace, the pain comes back. I realized early on in my career that the braces are just band-aids. They offload the tendon, which just in turn makes the muscle weaker. We don't want to just hide the pain. We want to build up the tendon so it can handle your daily task again. The first exercise is an isometric hold. Research showed that holding a muscle under tension without moving the joint has an analgesic effect. To do this, bend your painful elbow 90 degrees with the palm down. You can also rest it on a table if you want. Now with the other hand, push the back of the palm down and resist it with a painful arm. Hold that for 5 to 10 seconds. Don't push too hard. You should be pushing just about 10 to 20% of your strength. Then you relax, and then you do it again. 5 to 10 seconds. Then you relax. Repeat that 10 times. This strengthens the tendon gently without irritating it. The second exercise is an eccentric exercise. Tendons heal when they lengthen under load. This is called an eccentric contraction. To do this, grab a small dumbbell like this or a water bottle. Bend your elbow to 90 degrees and turn your palm down. With your good hand, assist the painful wrist going into extension. Then you let go and slowly straighten your wrist. And then use your good hand to help it go into extension again. And then slowly straighten your wrist. The speed that you want is around 2 seconds going up and 3 to 5 seconds going down. Again, 2 seconds going up and 3 to 5 seconds going down. Repeat that for 10 to 15 repetitions. This helps realign the collagen fibers in your tendon. Imagine it like ironing out wrinkles in a shirt. If you're finding this video helpful so far, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. The third exercise is a twist exercise. You can use a towel like this at home and roll it up tight. Grab it with both hands and twist it. One direction first, and then you go with the other direction. Keep doing it. Repeat that for 10 to 15 repetitions. This combines rotation with grip strength, and it's a very good exercise for tennis elbow. It addresses the exact spot where the tendon attaches to the bone. I had a patient, a carpenter, who couldn't use a hammer without having sharp pain. He thought he would not be able to work anymore or have to deal with that pain for the rest of his life. He did these 3 exercises for 5 minutes every morning, and within 3 weeks, he was back on the job site. If doing these exercises doesn't help you get rid of your elbow pain, then your problem might be upstream. Watch the next video for more about that.